So here I got the Bamboo waterproof mattress protector from Muxhomo. I've been using it for a while now. I'm just going to share a couple things I like with it. Hopefully it helps out your purchase. But the first thing I like with it is just how easy it is to put on. I actually got a video going in the corner where you can watch me put it on. But it takes just seconds. This is a 10-inch mattress that I'm using it on, but it works for anything up to like a 21-inch mattress. So whatever kind of mattress you have, this should work out great for you. The second thing I like about it is just how quiet it is. So yes, it is waterproof, but it's still super quiet. I've had waterproof mattress protectors in the past where you can definitely hear them when you get on your bed. It sounds kind of like plastic rubbing together. Or, you know, I can't even really explain the noise, but it's just really annoying. And this one doesn't do that at all. It's super comfortable and it's quiet when you get on and off your bed, which I really, really like. And the third thing is, you know, is this actually waterproof? So I do a little test in that video in the corner where you can watch me dump water onto it. I have a paper towel underneath. Let me tell you, it is waterproof. The water just sits on there. The paper towel is completely dry when I pull it out. So if you're looking for, you know, a great, quiet, comfortable mattress protector that's also waterproof, I think this is going to fit the bill and is an awesome product.